What's up, YouTube? In today's video, I'm not only going to be showing you how to monetize your blog, but also other examples of other people generating money from their blog. So stay tuned. If you like what you see, please.
I used to have no money for a crib, now my room service bill costs your whole lot. If they try to stop me, I go all out military. I'm camoed all out like I'm in the military.
What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to monetize your blog. I'm also going to be showing you examples of other people monetizing their blog. Value from this, please consider subscribing to the channel, and as always, like this video. I appreciate you watching. So a lot of people, they seem to think that ads on their blog is the only way to generate an income from their hard work while blogging. Although ads are very popular, and I mean, again, they're a very effective way to generate money from your blog. There's other ways to do so, other popular and effective ways. So in today's video, let me show you some other popular and very effective ways to do so. I'll also be showing you examples of some ads and from other people generating an income online from their blog. I'll be showing you other blogs and other examples. So Shopify and Etsy store, this is one of the this is one way. This isn't the most popular way, although there is many people using this avenue. Shopify and an Etsy store, some of y'all may have a Shopify or Etsy store already, although it's a different business model for online. It's become very popular with other bloggers. All you would do here is whatever your niche would be in your blog, you would include links from the product or service that you're writing about in your blog post, and you would direct those links back to your Shopify store. So you would have the product for sale in your Shopify store, and you would have links throughout your blog post directing the traffic back to your Shopify store to purchase that product. Now obviously you would be giving it a good review or a good comparison or anything such as, and you would be sending that traffic, those visitors, to purchase the product in your Shopify store. Let's find out a little bit about dropshipping and what dropshipping is. So dropshipping is where a customer would place an order in your store. So you would direct that customer from your blog to your Shopify store, in which you would have the product. They would go to your store, online store, and they would purchase that product for, let's say, $200. Then you would take their information that they had ordered with, their address, their name, and actually you would use their money. So they would purchase this, give you $200. You would take that $200 and their information, and you would go to the supplier. Now this supplier can be anybody. It can be you found the product on eBay, Amazon. When you set up a Shopify store, you have the option to gain supplies from a store called Oberlo. Oberlo is a popular China marketplace, kind of like Amazon and eBay, that has really cheap products, and sometimes these products are very durable, and to us they're worth more. In China, they're able to make these products and manufacture these products for much less. So you would import those products from eBay, Amazon, Oberlo onto your Shopify store with a markup. So let's say you got it from your supplier for $150, you would sell it for $200. At that point, you would keep $5 or $50 in profit. That supplier would then ship that product straight to your customer. Okay, so you will never see this product. You'll never touch this product. You've essentially went from advertising it on your blog, writing a review, writing a comparison, sending that traffic to your Shopify store, and that customer purchasing that product. So very profitable business, very lucrative business. This is very, very, very possible to earn a decent income from this, especially if you get a popular blog and many visitors. Out of those visitors, you're going to have a few that do go and purchase from your Shopify store. Very profitable business model here, guys. Guys, this is an example of the Shopify store. All of these products here listed are more than likely drop shipped from Oberlo. So as you can see, this $7.50 earring, which is very cheap, I will say. Usually they're marked up way more than that, but they're probably getting this product at least 70 to 90 cents, and you're going to pay $7.50. At that point, when I purchase these earrings for $7.50, they will go to Oberlo with my order information, my address, and my name, and Oberlo will simply ship these earrings to me. They never seen the product, they never had any inventory, no overhead. If they don't sell, they take them down. As to where is if you had a brick and mortar store, or you really had these earrings, you would have to purchase these at 1,000 at a time at least, and then pray that drop shipping isn't the only way. Adsense and ads from Google is another way. And Adsense is a program from Google that people go and they place ads. So there's different categories, different niches. So there's travel, there's cooking, there's toys, there's clothing, there's everything, guys. There's any kind of category you could think of. Now these people purchase ads from Google, and Google will simply take those ads and they'll disperse them throughout. So when you have AdSense, it's simply a piece of code that you'll be putting on your blog. When you have the AdSense code on your blog, you will have ads displaying on your blog. Now these are PPC ads. Which simply mean paid per click. People do not even have to purchase an ad from or purchase the product that you refer. You simply have the ad setting beside your blog post or throughout your blog, and then when someone clicks that ad, you're paid per click. Now let's look at an example real quick of one of those ads. Okay guys, as you'll see here, I'm on a blog now, and they do different reviews and comparisons of drones. So you'll see here a ad from Google. Google has placed this ad. So if I was to click on this ad at this very moment, Digital Trends I would not have to purchase this Samsung S9, Galaxy S9. All I would have to do is click on this ad. Once I click on this ad, Digital Trends is then paid. If you have many visitors coming in and out of your blog, you have a popular blog, you can see where this would be a very profitable business. So how do you qualify for AdSense? I've had a lot of people ask me, does just anybody qualify for AdSense? And pretty much they do. It's not hard to qualify for AdSense. You have to own your own site. That's the number one thing that stops a lot of people. This means you have to have your own. So if you have a Shopify store, you automatically qualify for AdSense. That's also if you're 18 years old, and it says in some locations you have to be active. Your site has to be active for 6 months. I don't know where this is at, but I know that it's not anywhere around in the United States. I don't know exactly where that's at. This is taken straight from the AdSense webpage. So you need to own your own site. You have to comply with program policies, such as it cannot be adult content displayed on your page, and other obscenities cannot be on your site. AdSense does not agree with that and will not approve your application. So you have to own your own site, comply with program policies, and I'm not going to say that you have to have a site active for 6 months. This is not true in the United States. I don't know where it is, but not here. And you have to be at least 18 years of age. More than likely, if you have a blog that you're trying to monetize, you're at least 18 years old. If not, you're not far from it, so just hang out and it won't be long. AdSense is very, very, very profitable. Many people earn big profits depending on their niche of the blog and their blog type. Different ads pay more, so definitely check into that. And now, the next way, the most popular way, and my favoriteest way, is affiliate marketing. More than likely, you know what affiliate marketing is, and you know someone that is into affiliate marketing. I know many people that earn large amounts from affiliate marketing, not only through blogging, but simply internet marketing and email marketing. So what is exactly affiliate marketing for the ones that don't know? I know that most of my subscribers and followers know what affiliate marketing is if they haven't already had their hand in it. But for the new ones, the beginners, let's go over what affiliate marketing is very quickly. Affiliate marketing is simply referring someone to a certain product or service and being paid for that referral. You simply would do a review or a comparison on a page, and let's say you do the top 10 drones for 2018. There you would do a review and a comparison over the top 10 drones. You would go apply for an affiliate a referral program from a drone site, and they would pay you every time someone clicked on your link and they went and purchased a drone. So you would talk you would talk a drone up, you would have the best, you would have all the pros, very little cons about a drone or whatever product, service that you want to publish. And at that point, when they click and you sell that product to them, they will go to the site, the original site, and purchase. Once they do that, you're paid. Very simple, guys. I'm sure you're wondering, well, how exactly do you get paid? How do they know that you sent? You can search online for affiliate marketers, affiliate programs and referral programs. I know Walmart has one, Amazon has one, everybody, Target, just about anybody you can think of has an affiliate program for every niche and category that you could possibly be covering in your blog. You'll have to go and find these. I'm going to show you an example in a minute, how to find these and where to find these. You'll simply apply for their referral program. At that point, if you're approved, which it's very easy to get approved for an affiliate program, you'll receive a unique link. So they'll give you, let's say it's to Amazon, it will read www.amazon.com. At that point, it's where your unique link comes in. So it would be amazon.com/referral25678. That would all be in the link. So when someone clicked that link, they're taken to Amazon, to that product, and Amazon then knows and recognizes your link and knows that you sent them. So if they purchase that product, boom, you get paid. That simple, guys. They usually pay a percentage of the sale. I know that if you refer people to buy a physical product, you're going to earn less than a digital product. And the reason that is because there's so much money put into a physical product to get it off the ground and to be able to sell that physical product compared to a digital product. Digital products just take time rather than money, and building a physical product. So try to look into some digital products. Maybe I know that they offer like 75 to 90% sometimes, compared to 3 to 15% of a physical product. You're going to earn more with that digital product, so check that out too. This is an example of affiliate marketing. Here you'll find a drone site that does, this is maybe like a tech blog, and you'll find that with each drone that they do a review over, you can find a link. So in this link right here, you'll see that when I go to DJI Maverick Air's website, at that point they know that Drew Prindle from Digital Trends sent me. So then if I purchase that drone, he is paid. Very lucrative, guys, very profitable. Again, this is why affiliate marketing is one of my favorites ways to monetize your blog. As you can see, it's very profitable. So let's click on this, and you'll see that it takes me to the DGI website, and at that point, this up here is probably his referral code. So normally it would be dji.com/Maverick Air. At this point, here is his referral code. So that's how they know that he sent me. Now, if I purchase this, he is paid a percentage, probably 10-20%. I hope that you gained tons of value from this video. Those were 3 simple ways to earn from your blog. There's other ways to earn, and I'll have more videos up.
Nobody with all this jewelry on, yeah. My roof look like a no-show, got diamonds by the bolo. Come with the Tony Romo for clowns and all the bozos. And my AP going psycho, the mama bad like Michael, can't really trust